is a system of equations. We have two variables here, and so we're going to need two equations in order to solve it. So let's start with what we know about these coins. He has some nickels and dimes and a total of 16 coins. So we know that the number of nickels, we'll call that n, plus the number of dimes is going to equal 16. And we know that the total amount of money he has is $1.25. I like to make things simple, so I'm just going to call that 125 cents. And so we have, for each nickel, that will be worth 5 cents. And then for each dime will be worth 10 cents. And that will add up to 125 cents. So now we have two equations and two variables. That means we have enough information to solve this. We're just going to take this equation here and rewrite it so that we can substitute it into the other ones. We're going to write it as the number of nickels is equal to 16 minus the number of dimes. And the way I did that is I just subtracted the number of dimes from each side of the equation. So now that we know that n is equal to 16 minus d, instead of writing n over here, I can just write 16 minus d and then copy down the rest of the equation. The reason this is helpful is now I have one equation that has one variable. So when I solve for d, we'll know how many dimes there are, and then I can put that information back into here or here, and it'll tell us how many nickels we have. So 5 times 16 is 80. 5 times negative d is negative 5d. Copy down the rest of the equation. Negative 5d plus 10d is positive 5d. Copy down the rest of the equation. Subtract 80 from both sides. And divide both sides by 5. D equals 9. Now I can put that back in here. 16 minus 9 is 7 and equals 7. So we have the number of dimes is 9, the number of nickels is 7, and let's double check that and make sure that actually works. 5 times the number of nickels plus 10 times the number of dimes should equal 125 cents. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 10 times 9 is 90, equals 125. 35 plus 90 equals 125. 125 is equal to 125. That is true. So we know that this information is correct. The number of dimes is 9 and the number of nickels is 7.